Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing about the alternatives that we can use instead of using because. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Smash the like button if you like my video. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. So alternative number 1 is thanks to. Thanks to. It can be used as negative or positive. So in a negative way, thanks to my sister for destroying my brand new dress. If we take it in a positive way, thanks to my current diet for making me fitter and healthier. Alternative number 2. So, I wanted to practice driving, so I registered myself. Alternative number 3, due to. Due to some emergency, I'm unable to attend the meeting. Alternative number 4, as a result of. As a result of your hard work, you pass this exam successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video and do smash the like button.